Most Xeric watches are going to come in this cool travel case. Protects your watch. And then this is the regulator. So what's unique about this watch is that it's a regulator. The hours, minutes, and seconds are all on different posts, unlike a traditional three-hand watch where everything would be based off of the center point. The large circle of the dial is your 24-hour hand, and then your minute is the long post, and then your seconds are split down here. The regulator is built on a Miyota Automatic. It's part of the 8 series and has a custom rotor. Another cool point of the regulator is got this beautiful Horween leather strap. So Horween is a tannery inside the US, based in Chicago, and they make some of the best leathers in the world. Alright, let's put this thing on and see how it looks on the wrist.